Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. My name is Bharatanatrayan and we are in a second video of this series Next.js. In this video, we are going to see about the project structure of the Next.js and basic overview of the Next.js. So before going to the Next.js project, we have to install two packages. First, we have to install VS Code. So this is where you can install the VS Code. I already installed the VS Code. Simply you have to click this button and double click on the downloads. It will install. Next, instead of VS Code, another one is Node. You have to download this one. Or you can download this one. I already installed the Node also. So I'm going to create a project. So here only I'm going to create. First of all, I'm going to create the command prompt. Here I will paste the command. This is the command to create a project. After that, you have to provide the name for the project so that the node identify this is the name for the project, so it can name the folder. So I have provided the name of the project structure. Within a few minutes, it will install all the dependencies for the Next.js. It will not take more time, so it will install within a few seconds, few minutes. It's installing. So the installation has been done. So after that, yeah, you have to give code dot. So with this command, you can open a Visual Studio Code in Windows. So here we have the project structure. First of all, I'm going to open a terminal and I'm going to move to the project structure folder. Project structure. So now we are within the project structure. So here we have node modules, which the dependencies of Next.js, all the files will be present within these node modules. So here readme file, it will give the basic information of the project we are going to work. Here these and all the already instruction already given by the Next.js. So package.json. So dependencies are Next, React, React DOM. If we install Next.js, these three packages will install automatically. So the version of the dependencies may be changed according to the period of time you watching this video. These three packages will automatically install. ESLint is used for give the warning about the mistakes you have done with the React or Next.js. Basically, it will give the warning of the JavaScript. This script and all we will use Next.dev to run the project in a local level. This build is used to uh, build the production before deploying the This build is used to build the project before the deployment. The start is used to initiate the server after the build is deployed in a server. While after deploying the project in a server, we have to use start to initiate the project. Next link is give the warnings. So next dependency, and so here I have used npm as a package manager. So it gives package log json. If you use yarn, so you will get the file yarn.log. So it will give the basic information which are all installed within this project. Within the next configure, here the react strict mode is activated, which will only work in the development mode. So this will give the warnings and the mistakes you have done with JavaScript. Next, git ignore. This git ignore is used to control the version of the packages. Like we can create a project today with certain versions, but future the the versions for the updates for the particular package will be given. So we have to maintain certain versions so we will not get any difficulties in the future. So you don't need to take care of this file. This is a configuration of ESLint. So styles, we will give the basic stylings CSS files within these styles, and we will get the styles within the by using this import function. Here we have used import function, so we will get. So index file is nothing but it is the home page. If I give npm run dev, so after this one, the basic home page which is displayed in the screen is the index file. App.js is we can give the layouts in the app.js. The the layouts which we want to use, we can put all the layouts here. So we have to create the layouts as a component. I will teach you in a future by posting another videos. You can get or call videos. You can get or put the API calls with your privacy. If you don't want to uh, show the source of the APIs, you can use this API file. So the source will be not uh, the every source will not be uh, shown to the every users. So you can maintain your privacy of your data. So here at the beginning we didn't have this next file, but now we have this next file. We will get this next file after running the folders. These pages and the public folders will be converted into cache, and it will be stored here in this folders. So here I'm going to create a basic examples. So I'm going to remove the folder and we will get the error. So div div Bharat. So I have changed it in the index, which is a home page. Index file is the home page. So after here we will get this one. If you wanna give a style, I'm going to give example for styling also. Here styles are there. I'm going to create folder called home.module.css, home file.module.css. So here I'm going to give a class name as a Bharat, and margin 40 pixel in each direction. So here I'm going to get the styles, import style from. So this double dot indicate that you have to go out. You are in a index file. You are within a folder page. Your control is moving out of the page, and now it's enter the styles. After that, home file module.css. So now we can access the styles within the home file. So I'm writing the class name and curly braces style dot Bharat. If we see, we get the margin in each direction. This is how easily we can achieve this. In case if you don't want to style like this, you can give inline styling also. Margin margin left 20 pixel. Now so then why okay. Oh sorry, I have done a mistake. I have to change this to style. Here the mistake is, now we can see the margin in the left. So you have to use the second letter in a capital. The first letter in a second word should be in capital in the inline style. So here the this is the use of the ESN. It shows the error like the head is imported but it's never used. So if we remove the head from here, it will remove the error. Here these three files import. This one is also not imported. These are the basic structures and basic things you need to know. You can learn eventually in future. I will guide you in learning this process. If you want to get updates regularly, keep subscribe the YouTube channel and get the updates.